Tad guys, no? And a day in my life as a kusinera, maghanap tayo talaga ng iba-ibang idea guys. Dapat maghanap tayo ng iba-ibang idea. Manggawa natin mga iba-ibang ano natin sa ating pagluluto guys. Gawa tayo ng salad ngayon guys. Ito sweet corn, ito kidney beans, ayan yung kidney beans, ito yung cucumber, ito yung cherry tomato and lettuce. At meron din tayong chicken breast guys, grilled chicken breast. At tapos na natin gutar-gutarin yung ating manok guys. So ilagay na natin siya in the middle of the salad guys. Ayan, in the middle of the salad. So imagine nyo na ba guys kung gaano kasarap yung salad ko today for dinner. And for the sauce naman dyan guys, ito guys may avocado, merong dill, a little bit of lemon, and this yogurt. So ito yung yogurt na gamit ko guys, fresh yogurt. Combine na natin lahat guys. So our sauce is done. So ito na siya guys, yung green sauce, para siyang chutney. Yan, pero avocado yan guys. Okay, thanks for watching. This is Ding Ding.